Bit of a random experiment here. I've seen a few times this Winsor & Newton white calligraphy ink, but obviously you can't write on normal white paper, it won't work. And I've only ever seen expensive black paper before. But today I spotted this cheap pad for £2. I'll also give her a try. This is the ink, Winsor & Newton white calligraphy ink. And I'm going to be dipping in the good old Brause 361. I'm sure you know what I'm thinking here, that it's going to be almost like fluorescent on the page because it's going to be so bright because of the white on black contrast. It might not work, but for a grand total of £6 for a bit of fun, I think it's worth a try. Let's have a go. That was terrible. I think it is looking quite cool actually, the white on the black there. However, when I'm writing normally I use a red ink quite often normally on normal paper. And what I find is that, as it's starting to run off the pen, you can keep writing, it works okay. But because this is so light, obviously like here, you feel that you have to dip more frequently, then that means there's more risk of over dipping the pen and you get these big dollops of ink. But still a bit cool. I'm sure you've guessed this is a Nirvana lyric. I'll just carry on here for a minute. Oops. When it is fading there, you can still read it. Like I said, I feel like with the red, it'd be a bit brighter, but it's not completely unreadable. Compared to the paper I normally write with this Brause 361 on, it's definitely behaving differently. I think it's maybe not as thick, so that's affecting it in some ways. But not to make excuses, I think the ink is a lot runnier as well. But I think the effect is as I hoped it would be. It is obviously really bright on the dark paper. I think I need some more practice with this paper and ink combination maybe, but I think that came out quite cool for the first try. That's it anyway. Thanks for watching. See ya.